Hello guys, welcome to the Casual RC Guy channel. My name is AJ and here it is, my TT-02 Tamiya kit with a 1992 Audi V8 Touring Car body. I love it. And I also bought a kit from Carson with a radio, a battery, a servo, just to get things started, okay? This can always be replaced later for a better one if needed, but for now what I want to do is build this beautiful car, put the servo in it, put the battery and test it stock at the track, and then later almost for sure I will do some upgrades to it, like ball bearings and maybe some shocks, some oil shocks, because the ones in here are friction shocks. And yeah, we'll start slowly. This is my second Tamiya kit. This one was my first Tamiya kit, the TT-03 Neo Buggy Racer. I don't remember the name now. Neo Racer Buggy. And yeah, since now I'm part of a club that has a tarmac track, I must have a tarmac car. So enough with the talk. I want to see what's inside and start building this thing. From what I see online on several videos, it's not the hardest build, but it will be fun nonetheless. So let's do it. Yeah! So I can already see here that this box has been hurt. Hopefully nothing is broken inside. I really hope. I don't want to send it back. Let's see what's inside. So here it is, what we have here. The ESC, bag of goodies. I'm really excited about this. The bumper, really soft. Yeah, the glorious Audi Quattro body. I'm not gonna paint it like the original one. I'm gonna still decide what color should I paint this, what livery. Later we'll talk more on this. Here's the parts tree. Here's the tub chassis. More trees. Well, you know what you get with the Tamiya kit. The wheels, pretty nice. What is this? Oh, also part of the car, I guess, is the inner part of the bumper. Oh, I did not know about this. I gotta check it out later. More parts. Oh, here are the tires, slick tires, nice. Some more parts. And oh, here, oh yeah, this is like the rims, I guess, the wheel covers. More parts. This is the antenna thingy, straw. And the beautiful Tamiya manuals. I'll be using them really quick, real soon. And as usual, the stickers and some, I think, masking for the windows. Nice. This is for later, for the painting part of it, which I don't like very much. I'm not big on painting the cars. I like the mechanical side of it, but it's not that hard to do it. But of course it's not a perfect job, as you've seen if you follow the channel. You see my TT-03 is not exactly perfect, and I painted it myself. I can show you guys right now. I painted it myself, but I put some stickers. It's acceptable because it's all black. It's like flat black, tinted everything black, so it's easy. And put some stickers. Okay, I like it like this. Not everyone likes it. Some people want to do it like this, and this looks beautiful, but to be honest, I could do it, but I don't want to go to all the trouble. I want to drive the car, make a simple livery, put some stickers in it, and have fun. So guys, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside this radio kit. Just give me a moment to clear this out of the way. So guys, I already opened the box because I'm using my phone and I only have one hand available. It's here it is, the Carson transmitter. Here's the receiver. nothing fancy, but I guess it will have to do. It's not expensive at all. Here's some trim buttons and whatnot. And funny thing that this is detachable, I don't know why exactly, but okay, maybe for transport, for storage, whatever, I don't care. And here is the servo included. What is this? It's a reflex steering servo, blah blah blah, I don't know. It will have to work. Now I'm not in a high performance stage of this car, I just want to drive it and have a little bit of fun. Here's the charger for the battery. And this kit came with a 2500 milliamps nickel metal hydride battery, 7.2 volts. I have one already, 3000 if I need. And here it is, 3000, same size. I use this one on the TT-03, but if I have to use it on this one, for sure I'll take both batteries to the track to have more time, running time. And here's the AAA batteries for the transmitter. And what more? Oh, and the things for the accessories for the servo. I think there's a servo saver in there for sure. And yeah guys, this is it. I'm not gonna talk too much in detail about this stuff because you know this is not my area of expertise to go in super detail about things. I'm just here to have some fun, to do some videos, and later I can watch them and I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah guys, let's do a little bit of a time lapse of this TT-02 build and come along for this adventure. Whoa! So guys, here it is, the finished product, my Audi Quattro TT-02 Tamiya. It's not perfect, but really I love it because I built it. I put some stickers that I had here. I had some problems with the masking of the windows, but yeah, I don't want this to be a display piece. This is going straight to the track very soon and it's gonna be really fun. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and peace. You.